Here's how to unblock websites in Google Chrome. If a website is being blocked in Chrome, there are a few settings you can check to fix the issue. First, open Google Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. Then choose Security. Scroll down until you find the option to select a DNS provider. Click the drop-down menu and set it to Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. Next, close the Settings tab. Click the three dots again, go to Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. Disable your installed extensions one by one, as some extensions can prevent certain websites from loading properly. Once you've done that, try opening the website again. If the website is still blocked, the restriction may be coming from your network, internet provider, antivirus software, or device settings rather than Chrome itself. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.